Hello and welcome to the Cart Lock app tutorial series from KlinKode. Today we'll show you how to block orders if the quantity or amount does not match the specified bundle in Shopify. Using the bundle quantity or amount condition, you can easily achieve that, and we'll show you how in this video. Let's open the Cart Lock app. Click the Create Rule button. You will see several combinations here. Use the search box to find your specific conditions and see which combination contains it. In this video, we'll use the bundle quantity or amount condition. So first, we'll search for bundle quantity or amount in the search bar and select it. Click Select Delete one combination to continue. In this combination section, you can create product bundle quantity or amount combination rules by selecting selected products. First, choose whether the rule should be based on quantity or amount. Then enter the required value in the For Every field. For this video, I've selected quantity and set it to 1. Then I chose collection and set bare collection for the first product. Since we are going to create a bundle using 2 collections, we'll add one more selected product card by clicking the Add Another Selected Product button. Next, for the second product, we'll also set the quantity to 1 and select the collection filter again, then set Game Collection as the second product. This means whenever a customer wants to purchase one product from the bare collection, they must also add one product from the game collection, and vice versa. Optionally, if you click on the Add a Condition button, you can see and use all other available conditions under this combination. For this example, we don't need any additional conditions. Now we will add a proper error message for the customers like, "Sorry, please add at least one product from both the bare and game collections to proceed to checkout." Then click the Save button to apply your rule. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, the error message is displayed at the top of the checkout page, so the customer can't place the order. The checkout is blocked because the customer has added only bare collection product to the cart. Customers will still be able to click the Pay or Complete Order button at the bottom and express checkout buttons like PayPal or Google Pay, but the payment will not be completed. Now let's add a game collection product to the cart and check again. As you can see, the error message is gone, so now the customer can place the order again. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the Cart Lock app. Happy selling!